Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to play Fable 2 on Steam Deck. First, ensure your Steam Deck is updated to the latest Steam OS version for optimal performance. You will need about 15 gigabytes of free storage space for the game and its associated files. This guide focuses on a straightforward method, allowing you to experience the beloved adventure on the go. Get ready to revisit the world of Albion with ease and convenience. To begin, you will need to install EmuDeck, which is a fantastic all-in-one solution for emulators on your Steam Deck. This tool streamlines the entire setup, including Xenia, the emulator specifically designed for Xbox 360 games. Simply switch your Steam Deck into desktop mode, download the EmuDeck installer, and follow the on-screen prompts. It takes only a few minutes to get everything in place. Once EmuDeck and Xenia are installed, the next step is to add your Fable 2 game file. Ensure you have a legally obtained copy of the game, typically in an ISO or XEX format. Place this file into the specific Xbox 360 ROMs folder that EmuDeck has already set up for you. Then, simply launch Xenia from the EmuDeck interface, and it should automatically recognize your game, making it ready to play. For the best experience, you might want to fine-tune Xenia's settings. Access the emulator's configuration menu to adjust graphics options, aiming for a good balance between visual quality and smooth performance. Consider lowering the resolution scaling slightly if you encounter any slowdowns, or capping the frame rate to 30 frames per second for consistency. Use the Steam Deck's built-in performance overlay to monitor your frame rate and system resources in real time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.